Hey everyone, congratulations on tying the knot. If you've recently gotten married and need to update your name on your social security card, you're in the right place. In 2025, the process has been streamlined with some new digital options, making it easier than ever. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, so you can get this done quickly and without any hassle. First things first, why do you need a new social security card? After marriage, many people change their last name, and your social security card must match your legal name for things like employment, taxes, and benefits. The good news is that the Social Security Administration, SSA, allows free replacements for name changes due to marriage. Step 1. Gather your required documents. You'll need your original marriage certificate or a certified copy, a valid ID like a driver's license or passport, and your old social security card if you have it. In 2025, the SSA has updated their system, so make sure your documents are up to date and not expired. Next, decide how to apply. The easiest way is online through the SSA's website. Head to ssa.gov, create an account if you don't have one, and fill out the application form. It's secure and usually takes just a few minutes. If you prefer not to go online, you can visit your local Social Security office. Just use the SSA's office locator tool to find the nearest one. Another option is mailing your application, but this might take longer, so online is recommended for speed. Once you've submitted your application, you'll get a confirmation. Processing times in 2025 are around 10 to 14 business days for online applications, but it could be longer if they need more information. Keep an eye on your email or mail for updates. A few tips to make this smooth. Double-check all your information for accuracy to avoid delays, and if you're applying in person, call ahead as some offices might require appointments. Also, remember that you can still use your old card in the meantime for most purposes. And there you have it. That's how you get a new Social Security card after marriage in 2025. If you have any questions, check the SSA website or contact them directly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more helpful tips on life admin. See you next time.